Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to enable or disable autofill in Google Chrome. If you've ever been frustrated by Chrome automatically filling in your payment info, addresses, or passwords, or if you want to make things faster by letting Chrome remember these details, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your browser's autofill settings to keep your information secure and your browsing experience smoother. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're opening the browser you usually use. Sometimes folks have multiple browsers installed, and it can be easy to accidentally click on Edge or Firefox. Once Chrome is up and running, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This is Chrome's main menu button. Give that a click. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see quite a few options. But what we're looking for is password and autofills. Sometimes this label can look slightly different depending on your Chrome version, but it'll always be some variation of autofill or passwords. Go ahead and click that. You should now see a panel or a new settings tab with a few different sections. For this first part, let's focus on your payment methods. Maybe you find Chrome automatically offering to fill in your credit card details, or maybe you'd like it to start. This is where you have control. Click on Payment Methods. You'll see an option to save and fill payment methods. If it's toggled on, Chrome will remember the details you've typed in before on payment sites, ready to fill them in next time. If you prefer Chrome not to remember these, simply switch this option off. This step gives you control over your financial information. Turning it off makes sure your card numbers aren't stored in your browser, which is a good move if you share your computer with family or friends. If you do want Chrome to fill these details in for you, enabling it means checkout is faster. Just choose what fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click the back arrow or use the breadcrumb navigation to return to the password and autofills page. This time, look for an option called Addresses and More. Again, give that a click. Here, you'll find information about addresses, phone numbers, or names. Basically the kinds of details you might enter when signing up for something, shipping an item, or registering for events. At the very top here, there's an option to save and fill addresses. Toggle this on if you want Chrome to automatically fill in your home address, email, or phone number on forms. This is really handy if you order things online a lot. But if you prefer to enter these details manually for privacy reasons, you can turn this off. Don't worry if you're unsure. Remember, you can always come back here and change your settings anytime depending on what you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable autofill in Chrome for both payments and addresses. It only takes a minute or two, but it gives you more control over your privacy and convenience while browsing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into something I didn't cover, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.